Are you ready to experience the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and efficiency? The 2025 Audi A4 is here, and it's bringing some exciting upgrades. From its turbocharged power to its refined handling, this sedan is set to impress. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about the latest A4 model. For 2025, Audi has streamlined the A4 lineup by dropping the lower-powered 40 model, making the 45 model the sole option. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, now paired with a 12-volt hybrid system, delivering an impressive 261 horsepower. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive comes standard, ensuring superior traction and stability in all conditions. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission provides rapid gear shifts and seamless power delivery. While a manual transmission would have been a nice touch, the current setup makes for an effortlessly smooth ride. One of the standout features of the A4 is its precise steering and well-controlled body movements. At lower speeds, the steering feels light and easy to maneuver. But on winding roads, it tightens up, offering exceptional responsiveness. This balance of control and comfort makes every drive enjoyable, whether you're commuting through the city or taking on the open road. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Audi A4 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. And it's not just about speed. Fuel efficiency is impressive too. Audi estimates 24 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway, with real-world testing showing up to 33 miles per gallon on highway drives. With its enhanced powertrain, refined handling, and impressive fuel economy, the 2025 Audi A4 is a solid choice for those who crave both performance and efficiency. What do you think about this new model? Let us know in the comments.